people, we are at the Hampton Inn on Tunnel Road where I've got something in here that I want to show you guys. This is, or should I say, was TJ's elevator. Here are 5, go down to 1. And also this hotel is under renovation again. Right here, it used to say this elevator is dedicated to TJ Elevator Fan. Sadly, they took the plaque down. Still has the same buttons. We're back down the lobby. And like I said, this hotel is undergoing an extensive renovation right now. And that will be it.
The video's over, but it doesn't have to be. You can always watch more, and you know what to do. And don't forget to subscribe and light up that bell. Until next time, bye y'all.